Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. I hope you've enjoyed your flight with us so far. We are already descending into Larnaca Airport in Cyprus. The weather in Larnaca is quite pleasant with clear skies and a temperature of around 30 degrees Celsius. We expect to have a smooth landing performed by the first officer today. We expect the landing in about 2.5 minutes. Thank you for listening and enjoy the rest of the flight. Can you see the airport already? At this point, air traffic control cleared us for a visual approach runway 22. That means we do not get any red vectors anymore and we establish ourselves on the final runway 22. We are overflying the airport of Larnaca at around 4,000 feet. We are turning left now onto downwind. We keep descending and flying outbound away from the airport. We keep descending and flying outbound until we reach a certain altitude at which we can turn inbound and keep a 3 degrees approach profile. Now we are turning left all the way until we are on final runway 22. Keep turning. It's almost a 180 degree turn, so it takes quite some time. And here we are. Airport is already in sight on final runway 22 now. The first officer is doing some minor corrections because we are almost there. And now enjoy the rest of the approach in real time.
400.
Can you spot all the windsurfers?
100 above. 300. Minimum 200.
Looked like he was falling off the board.
100, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, drive.
Welcome to Larnaca, everybody. Now smoothly braking all the way down to taxi speed so that we can take the next taxiway. Well, not this one, it's still too fast, but the next one shouldn't be a problem. And now reaching taxi speed and vacating to the right. Now taxiing to our parking stand or parking gate number 45. Other airplanes have pushed back or taxiing already for departure, and actually this Aegean aircraft A321 is waiting for us to park so that they can perform their pushback. Gate number 45, so let's turn left here. Parking position is clear, so we can keep taxiing. And we are following the guiding system until it says stop. There's still a couple meters to go.